In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wise Australia branches and ATMs near you step by step. Whether you're new to Wise or just looking to simplify your financial adventures in Australia, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Wise website for Australia. Type in wise.com/au in the address bar and hit enter. This is your hub for everything Wise related in Australia, the seamless platform that specializes in handling transactions in multiple currencies. Once on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This site will be your primary resource for managing Wise accounts and services. Next, look for a link or icon labeled Country Site Map. This is your gateway to explore all the Australian branches and ATM locations that Wise has set up across the country. When you click on this link, it will guide you to a detailed map or a list of branches and ATMs, depending on the interface Wise offers at the time. The country site map is crucial as it not only helps you to find physical branches, but also informs you about functioning ATMs that support Wise services nearby. Now, why do we need this? Navigating to Wise branches and ATMs is not only about funding your transactions, but also about understanding the locations for potential face-to-face services and comprehensive customer support offerings. It can also be beneficial if you carry out frequent international transactions and need in-person assistance. Once you've landed on the country site map page, use the search feature, if available, or browse through the map to identify branches and ATMs. Often, you can enter your specific location or your postal code to refine the search. This helps find the nearest and most convenient Wise services around you, allowing for efficient planning of your visits or ATM withdrawals. As you explore, take note of the operating hours of the branches and any specific instructions regarding ATM services, such as transaction limits or the availability of specific currencies if that's listed. This information can be crucial, particularly if you're planning transactions outside of regular banking hours or want to ensure certain services can be completed remotely via an ATM. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully discovered how to locate Wise branches and ATMs in Australia. Understanding the location logistics can significantly enhance your Wise user experience, offering peace of mind knowing you can access financial services with ease, whether digitally or physically. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Feel free to reach out with any questions or check the Wise site for updates and more information.